Wow, guys, it's major rain going on right now. Oh my god. Look at this. What on earth? Holy crap, guys. Oh my god. Look at this. Bro. It's like a flood or something. What on earth? Guys, I have to check the weather and see. Like, oh my, it's raining super hard right now, guys. But I don't care. It's raining so hard. Look at that cursor right there. That umbrella. OMG. Guys, you should see this for yourself. That's my report. Oh, sorry about that. But, we'll be come out here, guys. I can't let her because she's gonna get wet. She already had a shower anyway, guys. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna record a little more. I do want you guys to see this right now for yourself. It's raining super hard right now. My legs are really getting wet right now. Yeah. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Oh my god, guys. What on earth is this? This rain is very hard, guys. For real. I'm gonna step out a little more. I actually like rain. It feels good sometimes. It's just hot anyway. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking cold. Well, no, it's not cold. It feels good, but at the same time. I mean, it feels good. It's not cold. Oh my god, it's raining so hard right now, guys. Look at that. It looks like the street is kind of getting flooded a little bit. You see that? Oh my god, I hope it doesn't flood, guys. That would be so bad. And the steps and stuff will be flooded, guys, and it will be so bad. But luckily there's drains and stuff on the streets, guys, so it's not gonna flood, I don't think. It's just going to go into the sewers. I mean, still, guys, what the heck? I'm gonna have to check the weather thing and see how much rain it is. Well, guys, I guess I'm gonna wrap up this video. Hope you enjoyed this crazy video, guys. Goodbye.